I think AI has been the big trend. There's no doubt about it. The one thing about AI that I love is the fact that it's brilliant for market research. Bipin uses it for his Kano model also. The trick with AI is really knowing how to ask AI for the information, right? So a lot of the times, if we're using AI and we're not really versed on using it, you can easily get um, not the exact or the right information, right? If you do a simple prompt, you might think it's good information, but it's probably not the best information. So one of the big tips that I got out of the weekends was the fact that asking AI exact prompts, and I mean, I was so surprised with Bipin. He was showing the prompt he was giving AI and it was like this big, right? And then the information it was spitting out based on that. It's actually extremely intelligent. So using AI properly is extremely important in knowing how to use that. So Rosie was really doing a kind of a deep dive into that, and I know I'm going to be talking about it soon, but she's also going to be teaching a lot of that. So it's brilliant. AI is brilliant to use. One thing I will recommend though is I'm a big fan of showing personality in your content. So if you were to use AI, let's say, to write your listing descriptions for your particular product, I would always, and you might look at it and say, this sounds great, but it'll probably sound like everyone else's, right? So what I mean by that is what you want to do, if you are using AI for listing descriptions or things like that, add your own personality into it, right? So for example, if you tell AI to do an Amazon listing description or bullet points, just take them as ideas and then elaborate on them. So for example, let's say I did a bullet point, and my first bullet point on Amazon, or usually everyone's first one is like features, benefits, yada, 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 same old stuff, right? So let's go an example, the potato masher, because I was talking about that. But if it was a normal, usually if you go to Amazon now and you look at an ad for a potato masher or product listing description, they'll say this potato masher is 304 stainless steel. It comes in a gift box. It does all your mashed potatoes will be not lumpy. So they're talking a lot about that. But let's say you got that information from AI. Then what I would add is this. So, and this is what I mean by adding personality. I would write, I founded this potato masher because I realized there was no other potato masher like that. I'm someone who doesn't eat potato mash all the time, but when I do, I want to make sure it's the best, right? And then I'd go into that. See, what happens there is that's a pattern interrupt, right? Because if you're writing now something different, you're talking from yourself, people are going to be like, oh, wait a minute, who's this person I'm buying from? Ah, I'm actually buying from a person, right? So it's extremely important to add personality into your content if you're thinking about doing listing descriptions. That is for sure. One of the products that I absolutely love, and these guys are doing probably about 1 million a month currently at the moment, but they had a car shampoo, right? So they were launching a car shampoo, and I remember clicking on their listing, and the first thing the bullet points it said is this: we're just two guys who loved washing our cars, right? That got my attention, right? We're just two guys who love washing our cars, and we decided to create this because of the other ones left streaks, the other ones left marks, blah blah blah. And then you can read their story. Now that is differentiated. Their listing description is differentiated. That can't be written by AI, right? That's written by you. That personality injection into your listing description is written by you. So that's extremely important to do that, right? So if you're using it for any content, and I'm talking anything, even if you're looking at blogs or you're doing Facebook posts or things like that, just get the content, get maybe the foundation content from AI, but add a bit of personality to it. All right, that's extremely important.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 1,000 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. AussieOnlineEntrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one.